Can I tell you a secret? Actually, I don't need to whisper, because it's really good advice. Next time you're cooking and you're tasting your food and it seems bland, and please tell me you're tasting your food when you're cooking, do not reach for the salt, pick up some vinegar. Acidity makes everything taste better. It's why I keep so many vinegars in my pantry. So let me break it down for you and explain what the differences are. You're going to notice some color differences. The bigger differences are acidity levels, which vary, and flavor notes. So let's start with the most simple and basic. Honestly, it's just acidity. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. It's distilled white vinegar. It's fine for pickling. I prefer cider vinegar. It's similar level of acidity. It's usually around 5%. You get some fruity notes, obviously, from the apples. But they're both solid, inexpensive choices, especially if you want to be using vinegar in bulk like you do when you're pickling. Next up, I've got 2 vinegars from Asia. This is rice vinegar, which is the lowest acidity of all the vinegars here on the table. It's at 4%. It's mild, it's sweet. It's used in stir-fry sauces, dipping sauces. You'll see it in countless Asian recipes. This is Chinese black vinegar. It's more of a sort of specialized product. It's got woodsy, earthy, almost spicy notes. It's a specialty item that if you're doing a lot of Chinese cooking, you're going to want to have it on hand. Finally, at the end of the table, these are all made from wine grapes. Now we've got white wine and red wine. They're made from straight up wine. They're not aged. They have notes of grape and fruit, but there are a lot of acidity, and they're great for vinaigrettes and pan sauces. Probably more people get excited about balsamic and sherry. Frankly, I get more excited about the sherry. Balsamic is made from white Trebbiano grapes. The thing that distinguishes these 2 vinegars from the other wine vinegars is they're aged. So they pick up color, that's why balsamic is brown, from the wood casks. They also pick up tons of flavor, earthy notes, leather notes, spice notes. Sherry vinegar is my main choice when I want a vinegar with personality. It's got wood, it's got smoke, and it's high acid, so it makes everything delicious. So there's the secret to perking up your cooking, a little bit of vinegar.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.